Hi, and thank you for choosing Mrs. D's Baking TV. Follow along today where we'll be making pumpkin cookies with cinnamon cream cheese frosting. Now, the recipe will be listed in the description box, which is right below where it says more. Click there, and there you'll find the recipe. Now, one of the key things to a successful bake for these cookies, cream that butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy, just like that. Pumpkin, wow, who knew? I didn't like pumpkin before trying these cookies, and on the previous video, some delicious cupcakes. Continue to mix thoroughly until everything is well blended. Adding the spices. It's September. Gotta use ginger, cinnamon, clove, all those wonderful things. Sift, 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 because we want to make sure all of our spices are well blended with our flour. Another key thing to a successful cookie. If the recipe tells you to fold, don't mix, fold. You see what I'm doing here? I'm scraping the bottom of the bowl and folding the flour into the mixture. Taking my time. Gotta be patient. See that? Folding in all of that flour, making sure I'm scraping the bottom of the bowl. It's all in the wrist. Now it's time to scoop out those cookies onto a lined baking sheet. I love using parchment paper. That way my cookies don't stick to the pan. And I'm using a large cookie scoop here, or ice cream scoop. And we're going to place these in a preheated 350-degree oven for exactly 12 minutes. And here you see me flattening out the cookies just a little bit, just to make sure that they get that nice spread when they're in the oven. And just like that, 12 minutes later, what do we have? Ta-da! Fresh baked cookies. Now, it's important that you allow your cookies to completely cool on your cooking rack, on your baking rack, before you add your cinnamon cream cheese frosting. I decided I wanted just a little bit more pumpkin flavor, so I actually added just a dash of pumpkin pie spice to the top of my cookies. Taste test time! Delicious. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.